At Dave Cooper Live, we connect the industry leaders in the architectural, engineering, and construction space with the people, the products, and the processes to help them build it better.
We are at DMBAU in Switzerland, a modular manufacturer, a panelized manufacturer specializing in residential and commercial projects. And standing with me is Bjorn Ulrich, who is the CEO. Bjorn, thank you for joining us today.
Thanks, Dave, for being here. We will walk around the factory and I will show you what is modular construction in Switzerland. We are far faster. That is speed, speed, speed. The other thing is that I always stress a building which has not to be built again, is the most sustainable.
Stream Modular, the only logistics company you need to transport your mods, pods, and panels. Our friends at Stream Modular are investing $50 million over the next 25 years to build the technology, solutions, and trailers needed to handle and transport the projects of today and meet the demands of tomorrow. Reach out to their team at streammodular.com to discuss your next project. CombiLift is the largest global manufacturer of multi-directional forklifts and straddle carriers, a leader in long load handling solutions, offering a free warehouse and site optimization design service. CombiLift helps companies of all sizes and from every industry maximize the capacity, safety, and efficiency of their warehouse and storage facilities. A big thank you to Paul Short and the team at CombiLift for helping us all to build it better. Visit them at combilift.com. Ready to scale up your offsite construction business? Introducing 4A Constructs, your solution to finding skilled labor for offsite manufacturing. Say goodbye to the headache of recruiting a skilled workforce with hand-selected certified tradesmen that are expertly trained and managed for offsite manufacturing, set crews, and finish crews, ensuring maximum productivity and safety. Unlock the future of skilled workforce development for all of your offsite construction needs. Visit them at 4aconstructs.com.
You know, this is great because the project, am I allowed to say the company's name? McDonald's, right, is the customer for these jobs, right?
That's true. That is one of our customers, and today you will see one of the newly DMBAU built McDonald's branches. And probably everyone will see a McDonald's branch never seen before like that.
Yeah, you're right. You know, but we're seeing more of this type of construction really take off in the commercial sector. The residential sector is starting to follow up behind it. But tell us a little bit about the projects here, because you do a steel chassis frame, right. You guys do concrete frames, right. You do wood construction, but you also do steel construction like what's behind us here.
Exactly. So our USP is actually this hybrid module, which is exactly like you described, the concrete floor, then the steel columns, and the rest, the wall is with timber work, and the clients we work for, it's not only McDonald's, we work for the healthcare industry, a lot of clients from hospitals, then we have education and the business offices. So these are the major sectors we are working for.
Sure. Tell us a little bit about the performance of your homes and why are the customers loving it so much? They were saying, when the McDonald's reps came in, they were just blown away at the quality.
Exactly. So, I mean, we always stress there are two really main competitive advantages we have compared to the traditional builders. We are far faster. That is speed, speed, speed. McDonald's want to have it very fast. They want to have only a brief period where it's shut. So we are actually 50 to 70% faster than the traditional builder. And which is also a big advantage, especially in the healthcare industry, healthcare sector, and for schooling, is the flexibility. We can top up buildings, we can expand the buildings without demolishing the existing ones.
Right, and we call it heads on bed, speed to market, especially in the commercial sector when it comes to hospital, hospitality, hotels, restaurants in this case, education. It's all about speed to market for them and starting to do business. I think the most important part of what I'm seeing here, though, is the quality of the material that you're using. The lumber that you're using here is amazing. You're using a lot of glulam lumber. It's very specific to the project, but it's also very accurate dimensionally.
That's absolutely true. So that is what we always stress, that it's not only about the speed, it's the high quality we deliver. So actually we work for clients who have a very high quality standard, which means like customers back in McDonald's, but I would like also to stress that the biggest client base we actually have in the healthcare sector, and Swiss healthcare, they are very quality, I wouldn't say obsessed, but they're very focused on the quality. So you can already tell by these clients that they have a very close look at the quality.
Yeah, and we're going to show you some of that, the quality, and we're going to talk about the process here and walk through that process. So within your modular manufacturing facility here, you are doing the hybrid approach. So we're looking at concrete mixed with steel, mixed with beautiful, glulam, wood beams and what have you. But you're also doing the mechanical installations as well here, correct?
Absolutely. The speed comes with this one thing which we call prefab, as you know. So 80% of all the installation is prefab within here, the factory. A lot of them is subcontracted. Some parts we do it ourselves, but when the building, actually the modules leave here, our factory, 80 to 90% is already finished. So we put up about 10 to 12 modules per day. So this modular building for McDonald's consists of 36 modules. So which means they will see after 3 days the building, which is not finished, but the what we call the Rohbau is already then there.
Yeah, for sure. And then the finishing time's cut in half, like we were talking about, 50 to 70%, and they're up and running for sure. What are you seeing the future of modular look like here in Switzerland? Are you guys seeing a lot of growth?
Yes, we do see in these sectors that I've mentioned, just driven by rising numbers of people, inhabitants. There are more and more kids coming. There is immigration in Switzerland, so the population is growing, and this goes big demand for schools and also the healthcare sector.
Yeah, for sure. So, and with that, sustainability is a big thing right now. Culture is a big thing within companies. So just walk us through a little bit about, what is your outlook for sustainability and using this type of construction? How does Switzerland look at modular from a sustainability standpoint? And then also, the company culture. I mean, it's great here.
Right. So sustainability is a big issue here. Every product which is made out of wood has a good CO2 footprint, which is and the communities, municipalities, they push really for building with wood. And the other thing is that I always stress, a building which has not to be built again is the most sustainable. So we convert sometimes building which have been used, let's say, for a kindergarten, then we turn it after 10 to 20 years into another use. And that is the most sustainable, most sustainable perspective you can give to a building.
So you're taking that building and then you go back in and repurpose it because the structure of it is so strong and in place already that it can be several different things throughout its lifetime.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So the duration of
That's awesome.
The duration for the steel columns, the concrete, this is 50 years or even longer. It's
right. It's amazing stuff. So, well, Bjorn, thank you so much for taking a few minutes. We're looking forward to walking through the factory, the production lines, and showcasing how this works. I think what you're doing here is absolutely amazing. I'm looking forward. He agreed to come on the show. We're going to have fun with that as well. So there you have it, everybody. DMBAU, Bjorn Ulrich, CEO. I'm Dave Cooper. We're in Switzerland with Siga, North America, at Siga's headquarters here. And by the way, you're going to see Siga tapes everywhere in this manufacturing facility because they only do the best. We'll see you next time.
What an amazing show. Thank you to all of our sponsors for helping us to continue to bring all of these innovative conversations to all of you out there. Please visit them, see what they have to offer you, and as always, subscribe to the YouTube channel and ring that bell. It would mean the world to us. I'm Dave Cooper. Thanks for watching.